goal of the course is to give the student the foundational skills they need to see measurable improvement in their work. The course isn't just the student watching me paint. It's me explaining and breaking down key methods and concepts in a simple way that you can understand them and implement them in your own work. The course goes over materials, drawing, color, value, and so much more. Where most painting courses walk you through one painting, I'm gonna walk you through 3: a still life, a landscape, and a portrait. And the course is designed for the student to go through a series of lectures and exercises to prep them before each painting. There's nearly 7 hours of content constructed to guide the student to progressively increase their skills with lessons that build off one another. There's no time limit, so the student can take as long as they want to complete the course. This course is great for anyone starting out with oil paints, or even some oil painters that are a little further along but never got the solid foundation of skills that could fill some holes in their painting game. The course is really for anyone looking to strengthen their understanding of the foundations of oil painting with a simple and straightforward approach. I'm Chris Fornatero, here telling you to go get painting.